Good morning, students. Today, let us move on to page number 117 and 118, Chapter 8. We know that in this world, some are naturally made, some are artificially made. Here are natural resources like air, water, soil. Soil is the very important natural resource which is called as a gift from Mother Earth. Soil helps us to live on earth. Without soil, we cannot survive. Without soil, plants cannot survive. So, soil is considered to be supporting life on earth. It is said that the layer of soil of the earth ranges from few millimeters to 4 meters. We know that soil is rich in nutrients, water, air, and also microorganisms like earthworm and molds and millipedes and beetles, etc. You know that formation of soil takes millions of years. The process of formation of soil is called weathering. It is formed from the rock, breaking of rock with the help of wind, air, seawater, river water, heat, cold, etc. These are the factors which is responsible for weathering or breaking of rock into soil. Know that rock is rich in minerals. Decaying plants and animals remains get mixed up with the minerals. This is called as humus. Humus is a mixture of minerals, dead plants and animals, etc. We know that corona is a microorganism, that is virus. The same way, many bacteria, fungi, and protozoa, these microorganisms are present in the earth on the surface of the soil, which decompose the plants and animals into fine powder, which brings the humus to the soil, which brings fertility to the soil. So, what do you understand? These microorganisms are helpful to us. It brings fertility to the soil. They add nutrients to the soil. You know that earthworm eats the soil and grind the soil. They also loosen the soil. When they loosen the soil, the air enters into the soil, plants get enough air, the roots of the plant get enough air, so they show better growth. Worm cast is nothing but it is the waste of earthworm. It is the excreta of earthworm, which makes the soil fertile. Since earthworm loosen the soil, it is also considered to be the agents of weathering. Do you know that root of the plants also causes of weathering? Because root of the plant go inside the rock and brings crack, and slowly it breaks into small pieces. So it is also one of the agent of weathering. I told you in the very beginning there was big rock. It was made of rock. Slowly, due to natural forces like sun, wind, water, running water, the slowly and cold, heat, temperature, these all factors. Because of this all factors, big pieces of rock changes into small pieces and form a soil. Now tell me, what are the agents of gradation? Many natural forces which is capable of transporting the weathered rock material is called agent of gradation, like running water, groundwater, glacier, wind, sea wave. These are the agents of gradation because these agents transport the rock material, weathered rock material, that means transport the soil particles. What is soil profile? You might have learned in the previous class there are different layers of the soil: topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock, and bedrock. Topsoil is the top layer of the soil which is rich in humus. The root of the big plants go into the subsoil. Below the subsoil, rocks are present, small rocks, that is called weathered rock. Below that weathered rock, big rocks, only rock materials are present, that is called bedrock or parent rock. So soil is composed of different layers. What is soil profile? Such a vertical section of soil from the surface down to the bedrock, so showing individual layers, is called soil profile. These layers are often of different color and texture. These layers are referred as horizons. So soil profile can be called as soil horizons. We know that humus is rich in nutrients because all the microorganisms which live in the topsoil, which decay the matters, dead matters, died animals, died plants. They decompose this organism into smaller fine particles. Thus the soil become very fertile, and also earthworm waste, human waste, all waste decomposed with the help of this organism, and a form humus. Humus increases the aeration and water holding capacity of the soil.